Hello everyone, I am Kevin and today I am thrilled to bring you a tutorial on constructing custom GPTs integrated with overthrow actions. Let's dive into this exciting journey together. This is a comprehensive 5-part series. Part 1 will introduce you to the fascinating world of GPTs covering their basics and various types. Part 2 will take you through a practical scenario. We will explore a real life example of a GPT that we are going to build together. I will also provide you a detailed walkthrough of what our completed GPT will look like. Part 3 will cover a high level overview of the technical architecture of our GPT project, setting a solid foundation of what's to come. In part 4, we will roll up our sleeves for a hands-on walkthrough on building your backend from scratch. This session will focus on a step-by-step process of creating robust backend APIs using Firebase Cloud Functions and TypeScript. Finally, in part 5, we will delve into integrating your APIs with the GPT. This includes testing and ultimately publishing our GPT. So, without further delay, let's embark on this exciting journey starting with part 1, an introduction to GPTs. So till now, OpenAI has developed advanced models like GPT-4 and GPT-3.5 and exposed them via APIs that enable developers to leverage these models into various applications. The availability of these APIs has spurred the creation of numerous websites and apps, showcasing the versatility and power of these models. However, this progress hasn't come without its challenges. Firstly, for users, a significant hurdle has been the need to keep track of multiple apps and websites, thereby creating cognitive load. Secondly, developers face financial constraints. The cost associated with using these APIs can be substantial, posing a barrier for smaller developers or those just starting out. This expense limits the scope of innovation and accessibility in leveraging these advanced models. So OpenAI introduced a novel concept called GPTs to address these challenges. For more in-depth understanding, I recommend checking out the accompanying blog post and video. At the core of the solution lies the GPT Store. Think of it as an app store, but specifically tailored for your AI needs. This is a centralized platform where users can easily discover and explore a wide range of AI applications. This approach effectively addresses the issue of information overload. Furthermore, the process of translating human requirements into API requests will be handled by OpenAI using GPT-4 Turbo model. This will eliminate the high cost of OpenAI APIs. One thing to note is that GPTs will initially only be offered to ChatGPT Premium users. Now, let's delve into understanding how GPTs stand apart from the existing OpenAI models like GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 and explore the advancements and unique features they bring to the table. So when you visit chat.openai.com today, you will find two options. One is GPT 3.5 and one is GPT 4. These are general purpose models. You can consider them similar to a well-informed individual with a broad range of knowledge. These models excel at handling a variety of general inquiries. For example, let's say if you want to ask them like, okay, can you summarize this article? Sure, they will be able to handle it perfectly. But however, their expertise has limits, especially when it comes to highly specialized queries. For example, if you ask a detailed question like, what is the permissible smoke test level for a vehicle in California? It will fail. So to solve this need, we create GPTs by augmenting base model with specialized knowledge, kind of similar to a human with access to DMB manual. Now if I ask GPT the question, what is permissible smoke test level for a vehicle in California, it will be able to give an answer. But what if I ask a dynamic question like, what is the weather in San Francisco tomorrow? This kind of question, GPT with static knowledge will not be able to answer. So to address this, we can create GPTs by augmenting the base model with actions. Actions are APIs with specifications of when and how to invoke them. So consider it similar to a human having access to weather.com website. Now if I ask the question, what is the weather in San Francisco tomorrow, it will be able to answer. But what if I ask a user specific question? For example, how much money I have in my account. Then this kind of GPT will not be able to handle it. So to address this, we can create a GPT augmented with OAuth 2 actions. Consider them similar to a person with access to mybank.com website and with access to my debit card. Now, if I ask the question how much money I have in my account, the GPT will be able to answer it. But there is a little bit of an issue. I am giving a lot of power to it. So if GPT by mistake misinterprets my query and says, and it considers like transfer all my money in my account to OpenAI, that would be really bad. So to fix this, we have OAuth 2 scopes. What OAuth 2 scopes help is you can specify the scope that the access token that this OAuth 2 action has is only to see my balance and transactions, but not to withdraw or transfer any money. So to sum it up, GPTs with OAuth 2 functions are highly potent and can have lots of applications. Hence, we'll pick up this topic and build a GPT with OAuth 2 actions. Hope you are as excited as I am to build this GPT, and if so, join me in my next session where we will go over a real life GPT that we will be building. Thank you.